Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss about 11th accountancy afternoon video. In this video we continue the same chapter, that is subsidy books number 1. In the previous class we discussed about the meaning, types, advantages and specimen of subsidy books, that is purchase book, sales book, purchase returns book, sales returns book. In this video we continue the same chapter and we solve one example sum dealing with all the 4 books. In this illustration, record the following transaction of Vijay Electricals Company in the purchase book, purchase returns book, sales returns book. So they are asking all the 4 books, and you should remember the specimen of all the 4 books. So based upon the specimen you can record all the 4 books, and you can go through the sum carefully, and you should record those transactions related to goods on credit, whether purchase or sales. Remember, don't take cash transaction and property transaction for special journal book. Okay, don't take cash transaction and property transaction. Take only the credit sale of goods or credit purchase of goods. So in January 1, 2017, purchase and credit from Preeti and Co. 25 table fans at the rate of 1,400 each, 10 fan at the rate of 2,000 each. It is a type of goods purchase. You can record this transaction in the purchase book, and you can add any expenses spent, and discount is given means you can separate it. So for each and every transaction, if there is any additional expense, add it. If there is any discount, subtract it. Okay, so in this transaction auto charge is given, you can add it. Then second transaction, sold on credit to Sheila and Co. It is also a credit sale of goods. It should be taken to sales book because of we are selling the goods. 10 electric iron box at the rate of 1,250 each, 20 electric stoves at the rate of 450 each, and here discount is given 10%. So you should subtract discount in the sales book. Then January 10, purchase for cash from Brinda and Co. Even though it is a goods purchase, but it is a cash purchase. So don't take this transaction to the purchase book. Ignore it, because of for maintaining purchase book, sales book and to return book, don't take cash transaction and property transaction. Then date 18, return to Preeti and Co. Already we purchased goods from Preeti and Co. Now we are returning the goods to Preeti and Co. So it is a purchase return. So you should record this transaction in the purchase returns book. 5 table fan being defective, reason for returning is defective one. Here rate is not given, so you can take the previous rate. Already we purchased goods from Preeti, that is 5 table fan returning. The table fan rate is 1,400 each. Take the same rate. It should be recorded in the purchase returns book. Then January 20, purchase from Satya and Co. It is credit purchase, taken to the purchase book. 10 fan 1,200 each. Trade discount 5% is given. You can subtract trade discount in the purchase book. And then 21, Sheila and Co. returned 3 electric iron box as defective, for which cash is not received. Already we sold goods to Sheila and Co. So it is a sales returns. This transaction should be taken to the sales returns book. 3 electric iron box. The rate per iron box is 1,250. Take the same rate here also, and you should separate trade discount 10% because of Already we sold the goods to Sheila & Co. with the trade discount. So for returning the goods also you can subtract trade discount in the sales returns book. January 23, purchase from Elizabeth & Co. 10 water purifier, 4,700 each on credit. It is also a credit purchase of goods, so it should be taken to the purchase book. Sold on credit to Mrs. Bhavani & Co. 7 fans, each 1,450. It should be taken to the sales book. Returned to Satya & Co. 2 damaged fans, for which cash is not received. So already we sold the goods to the purchase goods from Satya & Co. The rate is 1,200 per fan. Here we are returning 2 damaged fan to Satya & Co. Take the same rate 1,200 and subtract trade discount. So this transfer should be taken to the purchase returns book. Now we go through the solution. First, purchase book. So in this purchase book, first we should write the specimen column, date, particular, that is name of the supplier, inward invoice number, LF, for amount, detail and total amount, 2 column. So totally 6 columns should be maintained, and after maintaining the columns, first write the January 1, Preeti & Co. 25 table fan, 1,400 each, the amount is 35,000. 10 fan, 2,000 each, the amount is 20,000. The total amount is 55,000, and you can add auto charges 100. So the total amount is 55,100. Satya & Co. January 20, 10 fan, 1,200 each, so 12,000. It is given trade discount 5% in the sum. So calculate the 5% from 12,000. The trade discount is 600. Subtract it. The net amount is 11,400. And January 23, Elizabeth & Co. 10 water purifier, 4,700 each. So the total amount is 447,000. So after writing all the credit purchase transactions from the transactions given in the sum, record all the credit purchase of goods in the purchase book. Now total the amount in the purchase book. The total amount of purchase book is 1,13,500. So it is a purchase account. You should mention debit, DR. And then sales book. From the given problem, take all the credit sale of goods. Only 2 transactions or credit sale of goods. January 5, Sheila & Co. 10 electric iron box, 1,250 each, so 12,500. 20 electric stoves, 450 each, so 9,000. The total amount is 21,500. In this transaction, they are given 10% trade discount. So from 21,500, 10% trade discount is 2,150. So after subtracting the trade discount, the net amount is 19,350. Then second credit sale of goods is January 25, Mrs. Bhavani & Co. 7 fans at the rate of 1,450 each. The amount is 10,150. Now you can total the sales book. The total amount is 29,500. Purchase sales account credit. Then purchase returns book. As per the specimen, you can maintain the column. From the given problem, take all the credit purchase returns. Credit purchase returns. January 18 to Preeti & Co. We returning 5 fans, table fans. Rate is 1,400 each. The amount is 7,000. Satya & Co. January 27, 2 fan. The rate is 1,200 and 5% discount is given, minus 60. So per fan return value is 1,450. 1,140 into 2 fan, 2,280. So the total amount of purchase returns book is 9,280. You can write remarks in the remarks column for each and every transactions. Then sales returns book. Again maintain the necessary column as per the specimen of sales returns book. From the given sums, take only the credit sale of goods returned to customer. Only one transaction is there, that is date 21, Sheila and Co. We are returning, that is customer return 3 electric iron box. The rate of one iron box is 1,250. In the given transaction, 10% trade discount is given. So for 1,250, 10% discount is 125. By separating this, the net value of one electric iron box is 1,125 return value, and multiplied by 3 iron box, the amount is 3,375. And write the remarks in the remarks column. Only one transaction is there in the sales returns book, so the total is 3,375. That is sales returns account debit. So like this you can work out the problems related to substitute books. Number 1, whether they ask separate books, only one book means you can maintain. Otherwise, if they are asking 4 books means you can maintain 4 books. It is very easy one to record the transaction directly to the prescribed books. Remember the specimen thoroughly of 4 books: purchase book, sales book and 2 return book, and take only the credit transaction of goods, that is credit purchase of goods, credit sale of goods. Remember, don't take cash transaction and property transaction for doing special journal book, that is substitute book. Okay, students, you can go through this example sum once again thoroughly and work out it in your ruled sum notebook. And from the exercise point of view, select the same method of sums, work out it. And the remaining sums, they are asking 1 book or 2 books in a sum. It is also very easy one, you can practice yourself. Okay, so work out the sums, complete the assignment video, morning video and afternoon video, and then send task complete message between 6 to 9 p.m. today itself. Don't forget to send the message in the group. Thank you.